People were saying that it's hard to get a visa here, or they real picky when it comes to I didn't know what to expect. Me being black, coming here. This is the famous banh mi spot. I've been here 2 weeks already, and Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon, Vietnam has surprised me. I've been surprised. I haven't been making many videos. I've just been taking it in. I've been in Africa for the last 8-9 months, so now I'm back in Asia. But just the 2 weeks here, it's been good. This is a tourist area that I'm in. This is District 1. This is where most of the sightseeing and the partying and the bars, the restaurants, the hotels, this is where most foreigners come when they come here. I'm surprised that I'm coming across a lot of Vietnamese that speak English. That's one thing I was a little, worried about, but a lot of them speak English. I'm being told as I travel, as I get away from Ho Chi Minh City, it changes. We will be making our way up north, so we'll be here for a few months exploring different cities. I'll be vlogging all of it. I'm looking forward to it now after being here 2 weeks. The people, very nice, very kind. There's nothing bad I could say. It's been great. They are really welcoming. I didn't know what to expect. Me being black, coming here, I was wrong. It's the opposite. Smiles, all kinds of good things. This is not a tipping culture. I've tried to tip a few people for just being nice and good service. They refused to take my money. Of course, at the bars they will. I'm over here fighting off flies right now. I'm trying to talk and flies are getting me. But yeah, they don't take tips. They don't like tips. It's the hospitality. I did see a couple articles and videos saying that Westerners are interrupting their economic flow and culture when it comes to us coming here tipping. It's just weird not to just show love to somebody. I know they're doing their job, but I also know that there's some that's making $200-300, $400 a month. So me tipping $5, that's a lot for them. That's like 300,000, 400,000. No, it's not that much. It's about 130,000 dong. That's about $5. They won't take it. I see that they very curious. I think it's my beard. I haven't seen any local here with facial hair. I was expecting that, but I see a lot of people looking, not in a bad way, and then I'll see, a few women, they'll look at me and start talking and they'll smile. Of course, I don't know what they're saying. They could be calling me all kinds of bad names, but they're doing it while smiling. No bad energy. Yeah, I've been to a lot of areas already. I'll just take a taxi and go to a neighborhood, just walk around. Food is very diverse out here. There's a lot of food out here. That was something else that I was like, I'm gonna be eating noodles and soup all day. I've eaten a lot of Vietnamese food already, but I don't come here to look for McDonald's, Burger King, Pizza Hut. They got all that here. They got Jollibees here. I did not know they had Jollibees out here. So that was cool. I haven't had it yet, but I love Jollibee. Shout out to the Philippines. But they have a lot of foreign restaurants, like Italian. I've seen a lot of pizza spots, a lot of steak houses. I've seen an Argentinian steak spot. Burgers, fries, everywhere. I haven't had any of it. I heard they got some good smash burgers out here somewhere. I'm gonna have to go check out. I'm gonna be doing a little bit more videos. I'm taking this in. This is a big difference from the African continent coming back to Asia. I love seeing my people opening my eyes every day, everywhere. Here, I might see one or two of us. You know, when I do, what's up? You know, I dab them up, go chop it up with them. But I think more of us need to come here. I've seen some looks to where it's kind of like they ain't used to seeing us. And I know people have been vacationing here, and there's us living here, but I'm feeling love here. I've been walking. I had my friend come from the States. Shout out to Don from Dallas. We were out 3, 4 in the morning, and I don't party, I don't go to bars like that, but we were out hanging out, having a good time. And we will walk home. They will say be careful at night. You could get mugged, you could get robbed, but I've been out on the streets several times at night, 2, 3, 4 in the morning. And, you know, no issues. It was quiet. You might see a few people walking, a few motorbikes riding past. But yeah, it's been good. I will put this on my list. This is just one of many cities that we're gonna head to. We're gonna go to a couple beach towns, of course, Da Nang and Hanoi, and yeah, we're gonna take our time exploring the country. If y'all got any questions about Ho Chi Minh, leave it in the comments. You can message me on IG. I'm about to get an exam and teeth cleaning. It was $18. That's actually expensive. This place is a little bit more high end. It's a bigger location, but I've seen people post teeth cleanings for a little as like $11. So for 18 bucks, that's 500,000 dong. You know, there's hospitals everywhere too, I'm noticing. I'm seeing a lot of clinics, private, public. I'm seeing big, huge hospitals, but I'm also seeing small private hospitals. If you're coming out here to do your visa, it's hot out here, it's humid. You will need traveler's insurance. I'll post down the company I use. For 3 months, it came out to $340. So it was like $100 a month. It covered like 250K. I had a friend, he's a veteran, and he just put, you know, VA benefits, and he got his visa, you know, that way. So you don't have to buy travel insurance, well, health insurance. I'm not saying go that route, but just in case if they ask me, I had all the information I needed to get through customs. People were saying that it's hard to get a visa here, or they real picky when it comes to putting everything down correct. If you all want a video of that, I did my own visa. I did it twice. This was my second time planning to come here. I didn't make it the first time I came, so I submitted my visa twice here already, and they both got approved. So it's not as hard as people saying. I guess they're a lot more strict when it comes to details and information. But it's hot. If you okay with dealing with the weather, they did say as you travel north, the weather changes, and I'm looking forward to that. I was worried about those chopsticks. I can use chopsticks. I'm not the greatest, but I've never picked up rice with chopsticks, and you know, other foods. But they have spoons and forks on the tables. I'm happy to see that, because I definitely didn't want to go somewhere or to a lot of places where I was gonna struggle to eat. I went to Japan. I think it's been about 2 years now. Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, all chopsticks. I should have got some experience from all those travels when I did, but it's been so long, I was struggling. Fingers getting fatigued. You know, I can hold it, but every day, day in, day out, is something I'm definitely not used to. But here, I guess they know Americans are here. If you need a fork, it's right there in front of you. Yeah, so we about to head. I'm about to meet my homeboy over here to the dental office and get a cleaning. Let's see what else we got going on today. This is a cool horse, gold plated. I have no clue what this is in front of me. One thing I love, you see a lot of old folks exercising all night throughout the day. Love the trees here. There's a lot of trees that I've seen here that I've never seen before in other countries. This is, are these the baskets that they carry things on? Somebody help me out. Look like they used to transport things. I just don't know what. Of course not this size, but very nice park. This makes sense. I was looking around and I didn't see anyone on the grass. And I was actually about to cross over the grass to get to the other side of where I was trying to walk to. Stay off the grass. Here's the dental office, Premier Dental. As you can see, they have a lot of advertisements. So this isn't the cheapest, but it's nice inside. We better get these teeth clean and get back on the street. It's a nice spot. Just got some teeth done.
He said he got that one too.
Yeah, we just got out of there. It costs, it says starting range for cleaning $500,000 and up. And he told me mine was $700,000, which is $25, $26. You can get it half that price. This place was big, you know, it's a couple stories high, so my teeth wasn't dirty. It should have been $500,000, but you know, you're talking $18 up to $26, still a good price. This is the famous banh mi spot. They making a bread next door, and they sell a bread. But this is where you go to pick it up. This is where they make the bread. This place is packed, so they give the bread to other businesses. They said this is one of the best in Ho Chi Minh City. Very good. We had it the other day. It's always packed. I will tell you, this traffic isn't for everyone. If you are elder, old, I would tell you to be careful. There's some street lights, but like this is not. You gotta go in between. You're gonna have bikes close to you. You dodging the bikes. They dodging you, but you might feel uncomfortable walking across the street. Some areas is worse than others, but that's one thing to keep in mind. If you hesitant or afraid a little bit, you gotta take it easy.